Hi, I'm Robin, and this is Chet, and we are Chet and Robin's Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journey.
Tonight we're talking about what's so great. So, what's so great about going on a cruise?
Well,
Really?
I'll tell you what's so great for me is you drive to the port, and after you arrive, you don't have to drive anymore.
That's pretty good. For me, I only have to unpack one time. It doesn't matter if we're on that cruise ship for 3 days or 30 days. I only have to unpack one time.
Woohoo! Well, I'll tell you what. Another thing I like is the food that's paid for, the food that's included.
He's all about the food.
All about the food. You know, I like to go get my pizza. I like to go get my burgers. I like to go to the buffet, and then I go to the International Cafe, and then I go to the main dining room, and then I go get some free ice cream. And there's so much free food. That's why I gained like 9 pounds in 7 days. But I love it because we don't have to worry about where we're going to eat lunch today, and then drive around, and where we're going to eat supper tonight, and then drive around.
So his goal is to eat at every place on the ship.
Without driving.
At least once. Another great thing about cruising is that you wake up in a new place every day. You wake up, you're seeing a new scenery. Some of the views from some of the places that you go to on a cruise ship are just breathtaking. Just to stand on the ship and look out at the view, I can't say anything else. It's just breathtaking.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's kind of exciting too. If you get up early enough to watch it pull into the port.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And then sailing away, it's really neat.
Yeah, we actually have sat on the back of the ship leaving Alaska, and that particular port we were leaving, the view pulling away from that port at sunset was absolutely breathtaking.
It's great. Well, I'll tell you what else I like too. I like all the adventure we get to go on. I like to do things that we can't necessarily do here. You know, like, do you think we can do any dog sledding on a glacier here in Florida?
Yeah, here in Florida, more like on a sand dune.
How about snorkeling on a barrier reef?
Yeah, we've done that. Snorkeling on the barrier reef we have snorkeling in Florida. We have great places to go snorkel in Florida. But the Caribbean Ocean is so crystal blue. It's unbelievable.
And when you're snorkeling down that reef off the coast of Belize, and those 8 and 9 foot sharks are right there, and those big old stingrays, that's an experience that you don't get here at home.
Yeah, the stingrays freak me out.
And whale watching.
Well, I like the whale watching. The stingrays freak me out.
The adventures that you can go and do, and climbing Mayan ruins and Jamaican waterfalls, all these things that you can do that you can't really do at home.
You can't do in America. A lot of times, this is what we do in America. We have handrails. We have guardrails. You stand at, what do they call those places? Photo op locations. And you take a picture of this beautiful scenery. In some countries, there's no guardrail keeping you from the beauty of the particular experience.
It's a lot of fun. All right. And you know what?
A variety of entertainment.
Yes, there is a variety.
He's about the entertainment as well.
I am. You see some great live bands. You hear some great DJs. You see everybody from great comics to magicians to those people like, they all flexible and stuff and bend around, contortionists and stuff. And musicians. So, it's really the variety of entertainment. You'd be very surprised on everything that you can go see on a cruise ship. Things that are shows like on Broadway and stuff. All kinds of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And you can go see that one at 9 o'clock and go see that one at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. And you can see the same show twice if you want.
Yeah, and you don't have to
We've
buy
done
any
that
tickets.
before too, yes.
You don't have to buy any tickets for any of it.
And formal nights, that's another great thing about cruising here on land, to dress up for a formal occasion. It's a wedding, it's a special party, it's a special celebration. On a cruise ship, I love dressing up. I love formal gowns. Where might I wear a formal gown? I mean, come on. I have a closet for formal gowns that I get to pick and choose from when we go on a cruise ship. And Chet wears tuxedos. He's got, several tuxedos, several different kinds of tuxedos. Where's he going to wear those at? We love the special occasion of dressing up. People say, well, I don't want to dress up. I'm on vacation. You don't have to. You can wear your flip-flops and tennis shoes all day long if that's what you want to do. Now at home, can you really wear flip-flops and a bathing suit all day? Probably
I
not.
do. You see how I dress? I'm wearing my best t-shirt right now. But to get opportunity to dress up like that, and then you can go get your photos.
Yeah.
If you notice on our, what's that screen here on YouTube? That picture of us in the black and white that identifies us, that was taken on a cruise ship.
Yes, that was for our 25th wedding anniversary. We had some gorgeous black and white photos taken.
That dude even made me look good, so yeah.
So you can get great professional photos. And you don't have, unlike back in the day when you went to Sears had their photo thing, you had to buy the whole package. You can't buy just this one picture because you don't like any of the other ones. On a cruise ship, you don't have to buy the whole package. You can buy the one photo that you like. You can buy just the 3 photos that you like. You can have that photo put on canvas. And now the new metal photos that they have, they're gorgeous. I just got my first metal photo in December. We've gotten the canvas photos before. They hang up out in our front room.
They'll put them on keychains, coffee cups.
Anything you want.
You name it. Yeah, it's great.
And cabins.
Oh, the cabins. Yeah, there's a cabin for everyone. They got the interior cabins, which are the more affordable cabins.
That we used to be our favorite because it was the bear cave. It was pitch black. You could take a nap. You could take a nap at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it was pitch black in that room. That used to be our favorite.
You betcha. And they got the window view, portholes, window view, stuff like that. If you just want to look out, and a little more expensive. But then if you want a balcony, they got those too.
Yeah.
Some ships have what they call extended balconies, a little bit bigger. And then you got the mini suites. That's a little bit bigger room. It's got a little couch and it's got 2 TVs. How about that? And then you got the suites, which is
so
really,
sorry, the phone's ringing in the background.
Really nice. Yeah, I thought it was a fire alarm. I was ready to get the fire hose. Yeah. You got the suites, and then for us now, we got the handicap rooms. They're very limited on how many there are on the ships, but
yeah, it's surprising how few handicap rooms there are on a cruise ship. And the other thing is, you get to meet new people.
That's probably my favorite thing of cruising. You get to meet people from virtually all over the world. We've met people from Australia, and Germany, and Britain. And
that's why we like to sit at a sharing table, because we love to hear people from other countries, what their country's like, how they're enjoying this vacation. What short excursion are you doing tomorrow? Oh, we haven't done that one. Tell us how it is tomorrow at dinner. We have met some of the most fascinating people on a cruise ship. We've met people from Scotland. We've met people from France. We've met people from
Poland.
I mean, it's amazing.
We've met people from everywhere, just about.
And there is something for everybody on a cruise ship. So, what's so great about cruising? My question to you is, what's not great about cruising?
I'm fine. I think everything about cruising is great.
Well, thank you for watching, and another great thing for you to do is subscribe to this channel. So just click that subscribe button.
And watch for our next video coming out, because this is going to be on, we get a question asked to us all the time.
Oh, what are you going to do for 11 days on a cruise ship? I would be bored to tears.
So come watch our next video. Find out.
Find out. See you later.